Let's make some money again, guys. On today you can see my balance is 13,417. What? It's equivalent to 1,737,749 USDT, guys. 1,737 to 724 Kenyan shillings, which is 13,417 on my Binance balance. And I'll go and refresh like this, and you can see it's not fake, it's real, unlike others who show you fake balances. And so, guys, without wasting time, on this video today I'm going to show you how you can trade and make passive income from home, doing what we call arbitrage triangular trading. All right, we are going to do arbitrage triangular step by step. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I am doing. So let's do it. The first step, guys, you need to have you need to create an account. The first step, guys, as I said, you need to create an account on Trexbic. All you need to do is visit Trexbic.app. All right, once you visit Trexbic.app, it will redirect you to my Trexbic.com, which is now your own URL, right? And then you create account, and then after creating the account, you'll land in a dashboard like this. And the next step, guys, you need to do what we call deposit. But before you deposit, how do you make the money? First, let me show you how you make the profit. You need to click on the three dots, and then I'll click on the P2P market, and I'll choose USDT, and then I'll choose payment method. I'm going to choose USDT, and amount I'm going to put 1,000, for example. All right, so what I mean here, I'm going to buy USDT of 1,000 USDT that I'll pay on my own and see how much I'll get back. So let's say I'm going to buy to this one, let's say Amara Diallo Ibrahim Sissoko. I'll buy from Ibrahim, and I'll put amount 1,000, and you can see amount is I'm going to receive 1,222. So the 222, guys, is the profit that you make from trading the crypto arbitrage triangular on this app. So that's how you make actually the profit. So without wasting time, I'll just proceed with this trade. I'm buying USDT worth 1,000, and I'm going to receive 1,222, and I'm going also to do a withdrawal to my Binance, and you'll see that it's real time and not fake or scam. All right, so I'll proceed to buy, and then I'll click pay and then confirm. All right, now you can see it's now redirecting me to a page to pay. So now here I'm going to copy the address here. This is the payment address for Ibrahim Sissoko. Ibrahim Sissoko's address need to be paid here. I'll copy it, and then I'll go back to my Binance, and I'll click send, withdraw asset USDT. All right, and then I'll long press that address here, and then I'll choose TRX, and I'll put so I'll choose TRX, guys, and amount I'll put 1,000 and 1.3. The 1.3 is the network fee that Binance does charge. So I will need to withdraw 1,000 and 1.3 so that 1,000 can be sent, and then I'll click withdraw. Remember, guys, I'm buying USDT worth 1,000 and receiving 1,022 after fees. Okay, so I'll confirm, and the next step I'll do is sign in, and then I'll confirm my passkeys. And remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. Do not show anyone your passkeys. They are for your security reasons, and you need to hide it. Also, I'll now click and see the withdrawal has been sent. There it is, the withdrawal has been sent, and now I'll come back here on, I'll click I have paid. Okay, So once you click I have paid, you need to relax. Remember, at this step now you need to relax. The payment will be detected automatically if you have sent it. Do not open trades when you have not sent it. Some people will come and open trades without paying, which is very, very bad. And some people get their account banned and they come to my inbox saying that, oh, my account has been banned. It's because you open buy trades and you don't pay the vendor. And the vendors do report you to the support and your account get banned. All right. So after that, guys, just be patient. The trade will be automatically detected, the payment will be detected, or you can also text the vendor here. Hi, I'm texting the vendor. You can also text the vendor so that they can release. And you can see the vendor said just send USD to the address on your screen and click I have paid after. All right, okay. And also you can see, guys, the trade has been already completed. You can see trade completed. So now I'll go back to my account and check whether it's there. You can see now I have 1,227 after making a profit of 222. I had about $4 in my account before, right? So now the next step, after showing you that you can trade and now make the profit, I'm now going to show you that you can withdraw. So I'll go to crypto wallet again. I'll click withdraw and I'll choose funding wallet. You can see my funding has 1223, so I'll put maximum withdrawal of 1223 and then I'll click continue to address. All right, and I'll copy my address. Now I'm going to my Binance very slowly, and on my Binance I'm going to click add funds, deposit assets, USDT, and I'll choose TRX and copy this address, guys, and then I'll paste it here, and then I'll repaste it here, and then I'll click review. Okay, you can see the email verification code has been sent to my email. So I'll go back to my email. You can see the email is here. So I'll copy this email code that they have sent me so that I can verify the withdrawal, and I'll paste the email here and then click confirm. It's very easy like that, guys. Okay, and here we are, guys. The withdrawal is now processing. Remember, I did a withdrawal of 1223 and they did a deduction fee of 42.8, and now I'm getting 1,180, and that's a profit of 180 in just a few minutes, guys, trading. All right, this is almost risk-free because arbitrage is spotting the gap, you buy it, and then you make the profit. It's always risk-free. So, guys, I'll go to click on view on Transcan to see on the blockchain if the withdrawal is approved. Okay, you can see the withdrawal is on the blockchain and it's successful here, and they have given me a hash, and also you can see the status is unconfirmed yet. So I'll go back here and wait for it to be confirmed to my Binance account. Usually it takes a few seconds, so let's wait for it. And the withdrawal has been completed, and you can see here it is completed today 11:06, and you can see the date and time very well. Nothing fake, nothing not real. So here today I did a withdrawal of 217, and today another withdrawal of 1,180. All right, okay. So, guys, and you can see my wallet balance now, it's back to 4.2. So I'll go back to my Binance and check whether the withdrawal was credited. Okay, and you can see now my balance is 13,595 and the withdrawal is here, and I have made a profit for 180. That's it, guys. That's how I made the profit. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Once you meet this video on your FYP, remember to like it, share, and if you don't like it, guys, remember you never ever get such kind of video ever in your account. Just follow me, like this video, share to others, and help others also make passive income from home. All right, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel, link on my bio. All right, the link is on my bio, guys. You need to come link on my bio. Let me show you. This is my TikTok account, guys. You need to click on this link here and it will take you to, just click on the three dots here and then you click open in browser and it will take you to my Telegram bot. This bot is mine, and then you'll click on start the bot and it will give you my link to join my Telegram. Okay, and now you need to click on this link and you can see it will take you to my Telegram channel where I post content every day and help people make money from home for free. And also, guys, you can also check my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel also. Once you click a link on there, this is my YouTube channel that has over 466,000 subscribers, you can see. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and may the God bless you and abundantly and help you like my video, share to others. Thank you so much, and be blessed.